Right, so we landed at the second job. This is the fourth vehicle of today. I've had a good look around the car. The customer does a lot of mileage. You can tell by the wheels are covered in brake dust. The car, just from front to back, is just pitted. It's booked in for a monthly maintenance. This is one of our cars that we do once a month. You'll see a lot more detail in this shop than the previous ones. The last ones are just mini ballots. But with this, you'll see steam cleaning. You'll see us going around with a tornado. You'll see us with the scrubby pads. So yeah, I'll walk you around the car. You can take a look. Alloy wheels there, see the covered in brake dust. Paintwork, we've got different stuff. So we've got bird poo, we've got general road grime, like leaves and stuff.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, interior as well. But it hasn't been cleaned in over a month. Interior on this is all Alcantara. Everywhere you see is Alcantara.
It's quite dirty, isn't it?
So you've got a combination of leather and Alcantara. I'm going to change his strategy in this one. Client needs to disappear in an hour. Very busy client. Just give us an hour to get this car done, so we've got to switch up. So while I'm doing the wheels on the driver's side, Chris is going to do the vacuum on the passenger side, and then we're going to switch sides. So when I go and do the wheels on the opposite side, Chris is going to go with this side. It's just trying to get as much as we can done in a short period of time. Nothing changes. We still do all the same techniques. Everything's done properly. It's just we're taking multitasking to a different level.
Is this one quite dirty then, Chris? Getting on with the hoovering and Bossman doing the tiles. So are you going to have to scrub these a bit harder or do something a bit more stronger on them?
Just the chemical do all the work, you just got to agitate and let the chemical do the magic.
Do you think this will get complete in the hour then?
Yeah, it's a two-seater, it's a small car. But it's just heading around it really.
And how often do you do this one then?
So it's on a monthly maintenance plan, so it's once a month we come out and do this one. Obviously we've had a new addition to the family, so I couldn't come last month, so he's missed out on a month.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's why he's a bit more dirty than usual. It's desperate to be done.
Chris has told me that all the reels they usually have are 15 metres. And this one's, oh, sorry, I'm all 25 metres, did you say?
Again?
How much are all the reels?
Reels, 15 metres.
But this is?
The airport is 10.
So, and that little 5 metres makes a huge difference?
Yeah, huge difference. Yeah, there's a lot of situations where the car's just out of reach and I think that's something you will change. I'm going to have to rotate the wheels back a little bit and do the wheels again just to make sure I've got absolutely everything. I've already done a full sort of deep clean of the wheels, rotating the wheels back a little bit. I'm just going to spray it down. I'm not going to agitate again because I know I've already agitated. This is just to ensure that I don't miss any bits out. It's key to rotate the wheels. Imagine you take the car, looks perfect. So when the customer drives up, rotate those wheels around and see all the gunk on the bottom. It's just horrible.
I understand. Yeah, you can see that dirt settled in the bottom is coming out.
Say again?
The dirt settled in the bottom is coming, from the top is coming out now.
Yeah, so yeah. Perfect.
So what's next then?
So now, just waiting for Chris to finish off the hoover. I'm going to snow foam the car down, finish off the exterior wash, complete the full exterior and then revisit the interior, do the steam clean, wipe everything down, just finish it all off. Hopefully we should get that done within the next 35 minutes, 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Considering we've been in about, what, 15 minutes so far?
So the car's been snow foamed now. You can see all the foam dripping off. So he's going to leave that to soak and agitate as well then?
So it's left it to dwell, to rinse it off. So we're going to remove as much dirt as possible before we do a contact wash.
Yeah, you can you see the little corner here? Can you see all that dirt coming out of there? You can see the snow foam itself has changed colour. So So how would I get my car booked in?
You'd have to head over to our website, which is www.cleanmachinedetail.co.uk. If you scroll down the page, you can have a look at the various packages that we have to offer. The descriptions are on each package, and if you like what you see, you can actually book online. We'll tell you what times and dates are available for you to book. Fill in the details such as your name, your address, your location. We can either turn up at your place of work or your home. We crack on with it.
Our boss man is going to pray. He's a faithful believer, good God-fearing man. So steam clean is part of this monthly.
It is, yeah.
So is this steam clean part of the monthly maintenance package then?
It is, yeah. Just keeps materials right and stuff. So you'll notice that there's a lot of water left behind by the steamer. We use distilled water inside our steamer. We won't leave any watermarks behind, but we also then go over it with the air compressor, make sure we got all the water out. Because we don't want any water getting any switches or anything like that. Aston Martin, it's owned by a very good client of mine, a very good friend as well. It's been in for a monthly maintenance, and with the monthly maintenance, if you come with me, I'll show you exactly what's happened. Done a full deep clean on the wheels, the arches, the exterior has had a snow foam and a 2 bucket method wash. This vehicle is coated with a hydrophobic coating, and it's been washed with a spotless water. So as you can see, there's some remaining water on the car. They'll evaporate without leaving any trace. I'll bring you into the interior. It's just been vacuumed, steam cleaned, air compressed. The windows are left to do, and we are pretty much done.
So how do I get this car like this on the maintenance plan? Actually, so how do I get onto the maintenance plan?
The car from front to back.
How do I book my car in for the maintenance plan?
What are you talking about?
How do I book my car in?
So you'd have to...
What do I need to do to get on the maintenance plan? Yeah, fuck. I'm in my mum's car, brum brum. So how could I get my car booked in?
So you'd have all...
So if I've got a car like this, how do I get it booked in then?
You don't necessarily need a car like this. Anything with 4 wheels, doesn't even have to drive. www.cleanmachinedetail.co.uk. Thank you very much. And if you're looking to get this package done to your cars, just head over to www.cleanmachinedetail.co.uk, scroll down to monthly maintenance, book yourself in, you'll get a confirmation text and email, and we're good to go.